So hello everyone, I hope you are all safe, because that is very important right now. That is the first priority, that should be the first priority, because you know the situation outside, you know the pandemic situation. So be safe. The first priority you should give is to be safe. Then as I was making the last video, it was actually jumbled up with hashing, that someone a guy texted me on WhatsApp that what to study for GATE, when to start, when to take test series, which test series, etc. So I told him to watch that video, but it was he was insisting upon telling him or making a video. So I will tell you again. I am not good at editing, so taking the piece out and posting it again, that is not my cup of tea. So what I can do is I can tell you again. So the first thing, if you have already thought that you will give your time to GATE, 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 your first priority above everything else. Obviously you need to study for your semester exams. You need to get at least passing marks or greater than 70% or whatever it is. So that should be that is very necessary. But for now, if you're in first year, second year, third year, because third years are also from last year, third years are also allowed to take the GATE exam in your third year only. So I will suggest to take if you have already made your mind that you are going for GATE, then you cannot have a second option. That is the first thing. The first thing is you cannot have second option when you are already made up your mind that you will go for GATE. So the thing if you are wondering when to start and etc. So if you have made your mind, today is the day when to start preparation. Answer is today only, not tomorrow, today. Today you have to start the preparation. So now if you have already taken any course, that is okay. Everything is online right now. So Ravi sir, I took Ravi sir's course. He was the first person maybe to make videos online. So now others like Medizy, ACE, Applied Roots, everything is online. So make your mind that which resource you will follow. Don't follow here and there everything. Follow one resource. No question. Let's say fact 1. Fact 2. Follow one resource. Don't jumble up something from here, everything. If you have purchased everything, if you have that kind of money, if you have purchased this, that, everything, 2 courses, then I don't know how people generally do that, because it was not for me. First of all, I didn't have money to buy 2 courses. I took one, and even if I had the money, I don't know, I would not have taken, because it would have been burden for me that I have to see that course also, that also. Or else if you are studying on your own, preparing on your own, then also it's same thing, that prepare your own notes. So this also applies for the people who have taken any course, because prepare your own notes. Don't get go in some groups and ask, please give me your notes. That is not going to help. Okay, so I made my own notes, so it was very feasible to prepare from those, and revision time, etc. So prepare your own notes. So how to prepare, I showed in a shorts video that these are my notes and all. So how I made notes, I will make it this in this video. I will make it more clear. See, I took Ravi sir's quotes. In his videos, if you have seen his videos, some are obviously, demo classes are obviously online, on YouTube only, that's all free. So what he does is, before starting his video, if it's algorithm, let's say it's algorithm, because I am going to start algorithm today. So the algorithm, he will write everything down here. So when he started, let's say he starts his video, I would have the first time when he's somewhere else, not in front of the algorithm, it's not covered by him. So I used to pause the video and take the note, whatever it is written, not algorithm, but whatever it is written on the board. I used to take the note, make it in my copy. I used to write it down, whole thing, not take screenshot. I used to write it down. And now when once then unpause it, then when he started telling, if he's saying something important which should be noted, I used to make a note of it. Like if it's saying something important like time complexity, space complexity, anything, so I used to write it down and below the algorithm or somewhere in the notes. So like this, and because it's his recorded classes, I could watch it again if I had some problems later when doing questions and all. So in this way I made my own notes. First I used to copy it down, whatever it was written, then I used to understand whatever he is saying very deeply concentrated way. So another thing is that I am a nerd, so I am a computer science geek. I never had a problem of not concentrating, daydreaming or etc. I never had that. Maybe it's a good quality of me, but people do have this. And also I had this problem. I have actually last year, since my father passed away, so after that I have concentration problem. Okay, so I know I consulted with doctors, but I still do have, because I keep wondering, I keep thinking about my father, what would have happened, etc. and etc. So I keep thinking. So like others, I have this problem right now. So what to do is that you have to make your focus to your studies only, because that is the main point here. If you study, you will get marks, and then your you will crack GATE, and whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve. So that is this problem you may have or may not. So I'm just telling you, I'm adding this point. So this is it. So make your own notes like algorithm or something, any subject you are wondering. So now the next thing is, once you are done with subject, the next thing you should do is PYQs, previous year's questions. I am telling you this like so many times, it sounds boring, but it is very important to do PYQs, because after doing PYQs you will know what questions are exactly asked in GATE. Since the questions are not repeated, but you will get the concept, like this kind of questions are asked, this may be asked again. So like this, only benefit of doing PYQ is that it won't be repeated, but you will get the concept what kind of questions are asked. So this in any course, I think Ravi sir's course, PYQs he used to solve. If I, in my videos also, I do PYQs after a topic, I do PYQs. So I think if no one is, I think no one is relying on my videos fully. Maybe someday someone will, but that day is not today, because I know I'm just new to this videos and all. So someday I might reach, hopefully I do reach there, but that is not today. So I'm just suggesting you what should you do. So PYQs you should do, because PYQs are available online, Geeks for Geeks, then GATE Overflow, then Ravi sir's site, everything is online. You can do these questions, or if you have a book like Made-Easy, I bought Made-Easy. I think ACE Academy also have a book. I don't know, they have books, I don't know, but I have Made-Easy book, because I just love, I like to read from books, not read, do questions from books. That's why I bought it. Other than this, when I had problems with solving these questions, I used to search it online, and obviously Geeks for Geeks and GATE Overflow, they have these questions already. So Geeks for Geeks, it's very good, and in GATE Overflow there will be like discussion, and in between discussion there will be a answer which is marked by my admin or someone, that is the best answer. So you can do that. RBR site you can follow also, but the thing is, RBR site is that if you find randomly a keyword with keyword, you will not get the question directly. So that is a drawback. But if you are following his subject wise, then it's very good because everything is there only, and he has the best solution. So you can do that. Then after doing PYQ, see, while doing PYQs you may face problems, obviously you will have, but you need to go on solving with the help of these resources. You can solve, but you need to solve. Don't just no, it's not my cup of tea, I should just give it up. No, you should not give it up. So the next thing is test series. So you may think that this is only May, why should we start test series? But I have to tell you, the test series, topic wise test, you should start now. This is 5th of May, you should start now, because from 10th of April 2021 MEDICI tests have been started. MEDICI tests have been started. Okay, so you can always take this test series, and I will suggest to take 2 years test series. (2022 plus 2021). So that why I am telling you this, because in 10th April to 10th May there are some test series available, some topic tests. But if you are like studying something else which is not available right now, you can always go to 2021 test series and you can attempt the test. And also you will have more number of topic wise tests. So the more is merrier, because once you solve more and more questions, then it will be helpful. Like there are 17 questions in MEDICI test series. So like 17 questions, you are out of 17 questions you are able to do 2 questions only, and you are not able to do other 15 questions. So the thing, like reflexive thing, what will happen, that I am not able to do 15 questions, then I am not good for nothing and I will not crack it. So don't think like that, think it like this, that you are not able to do 15 questions, so you will learn this 15 questions, how these are solved, and they will obviously have solutions or video solutions also somewhere. So solve from them, and keep this in mind that this is the learning phase, this is not earning marks, this is learning phase. And once you are good with questions, so these are topic tests. So topic tests are only to help you learn the subject more, because mock tests are there to evaluate how much you are getting and all. So topic wise tests you need to learn. Like I have completed CNDS, so if in CNDS there will be like 2 topic wise tests from 2022, 2 topic wise tests from 2021. So you should always think like this, that I will learn the questions. So MEDICI tests, I have told you. Applied Roots, I have checked their site, they will start from 7th June. So they have lot of topic wise tests. Okay, it's 4 or 5, so it's very good. Even more than that, in mathematics there are more than that. So 4 or 5, I am generally talking about other subjects. In mathematics they will have more. So it is also very good test series. They will about Applied Roots test series, they won't have video recording, at least last year they didn't have, but their solutions are very good, and if you mail them, they will reply within few hours, or at least one day, maximum one day. They reply within few hours and they clear your doubt, or even if you have more doubt, they call you. Okay, so if that is very important. And then Ravi Sir's RBR's test series is that now he is in Unacademy. So if you are a registered student, obviously you will get it free, but if you are not, then I don't know, maybe it's not available, you have to take the full course. So if you are a registered student, obviously this is free of cost to you, and you can always take his test and follow the schedule that sir is providing. Follow the schedule. And there is another site, Solutions Adda, which is Ravi Sir's site only for other tests which are national level tests, like other than GATE, like PSUs, all questions are there. So I have seen that there is a test series for GATE also. Okay, so I am not very sure about this is Ravi Sir's test. I think it's Ravi Sir's test, but you need to mail him and confirm it with him. Okay, Solutions Adda mail or Ravi Sir's mail, you can mail him. So this is all about test series I have told you. So to sum it up, first, if you are preparing to start, then start it today. Think about the resources you need to follow. I'm not suggesting my videos because I know I'm very new to this. No one will rely on my videos completely. And I'm thankful to people who are telling me that obviously I'm thankful. With core of my heart, I didn't think only within 2 months people will like my videos, or this videos will reach to so many people. So that I'm thankful for that very much. From deep down, I'm very thankful that you are watching my videos, you are giving me feedbacks, or some of you are telling me on Telegram that make these videos, or you are taking gate classes on like personally. So maybe someday I will, but that is not today, because maybe I gave it a thought someday that maybe I should, because since my father passed away last year, we are in a bit of pickle in monetary wise. I give it a thought, but teaching is my passion. I love it. It's not I am not here to make money out of it. So that is what I would say. And what I was summing it up, I got deviated from that. So the first thing, you should start today. You should make your own notes from whichever resource you are following, online classes, or you are studying from your own, from books like CLR books, Coreman is called CLRS book, I think, algorithm, Coreman, or whatever books you are following. Make the thinking in mind that I will follow this only, not here, there, everywhere. So it will make you confused more. So that is the next thing. And the next point is solve PYQs. And the next thereafter you should do topic wise test series, and obviously subject. Once you complete a subject, and then take a subject test, and then go on and complete one by one subject, and also revise the subjects also. So these are very important. You should do right now and start your preparation today, not tomorrow, today. And thank you. I hope you are all doing well.